Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. Today I am going to teach you how you can fix iPhone apps not downloading. So make sure that you stay until the very end of the video so you won't miss any important step, tips, or information that I am going to include in this video. So let's get on it. The first thing that you can do is check your Wi-Fi connection. So continuous and good speed internet connectivity is essential for smoothly downloading any app from the Apple Store. So if you're using cellular data, which switch to a Wi-Fi connection, as Apple allows only up to 150 MB download through cellular data. And if the switch to a Wi-Fi connection also doesn't help, try connecting to another Wi-Fi network. And then what you can do next is check storage space in your iPhone. So insufficient space on your iPhone can hammer the Apple Store app. So in addition, you won't even be able to update the existing apps if there is not enough storage space. And check and free up some space on your iPhone. You can delete unwanted apps, documents, photos, videos, music, and other different apps to make storage space for the new app you want to download. And to check free space on your iPhone, just simply tap onto the in your setting on your iPhone and then go to the general and click onto the iPhone storage to see how much free is left on your iPhone, just like right here in the picture. And then you can even restart App Store. So refreshing the App Store can help clear the cache and you may be able to download your app properly. So to refresh the App Store on your iPhone, just launch the App Store on your phone and tap any of the bottom icons like the feature games or updates 10 times or more. So the loading circle appears on the screen. So just close the App Store and reopen and try to download your app again. And then what you can do next is to restart iPhone. So restart can fix most of the iPhone's problem. So first restart your iPhone and then try downloading the app from the App Store. And then what you can do next is to update iOS. So Apple iOS updates usually fix bugs. So for example, some users complained that the apps wouldn't load on iOS 16. So the message iPhone can't download apps may appear because of a bug. You may be able to fix it by updating the iOS. So to update your iPhone, you'll need to first turn on your Wi-Fi on your iPhone. And then after doing so, just tap again into your settings and then go to general and then go to the software updates and download and tap download and install. So right here. And to automatically update your iOS, tap on the settings and then go to general. Again, the same software update and then automatic updates. So this automatic updates, just simply turn that on. So that's it for this video. Remember, you can always pause this video or go back to the video and follow the steps at your own time. So I hope this helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and click notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.